So what did you say?
He does. Chair's too small for you, love.
So they haven't got seats on that one.
The chair's too small for you, isn't it? You're jumping.
Do you agree with this?
What's the matter with you?
Do you think we can afford to be arrogant?
It's because it's such an awkward angle, I
I'm just
think.
wondering whether there's any reality at all.
Gareth was battling on to see who ends up the multi-millionaire running the empire.
Very inexact science, but when I spot a winner, I'm a really good guy, then yes, I absolutely love it.
Listen, he thought enough of that girl.